Okay, everyone. Hopefully you can hear me in the camera, but this is what my plan is. So, I'm planning to take all of this stuff that's in here, this is kind of decor. I'm going to put this up in the closet upstairs because the upstairs closet and the guest room is like my decor closet. So I'm planning to move all of this stuff up there, and I want to put the toilet paper into here so that way we have a little bit more storage space for the stuff for this bathroom. So anyway, let me see what I could do. Okay guys, I know it seems like I've kind of been doing the front entry a lot, the front entry in the bathroom, but one thing I concentrated on was organization, and I seen some black spots on the door, so I kind of cleaned up what I could and everything. I still see some spots right here, kind of missed some spots, but anyway, I just wanted to kind of give a little bit of refresh, you know, like spring cleaning. It wasn't all that detailed, I'll be honest, but I got what I could. But one thing I did differently was I put like some more toilet paper in here. I just figured all my decor stuff needed to be upstairs in the guest room area. So anyway, I kind of did that. And then of course in the bathroom, and I didn't clean the bathroom, I mainly just rearranged right here. So all the toilet paper will pretty much go right here on this shelf there. And then I have some candles up here. And I have what you call those, like essential oil things in that little green basket right there. Let me see if I can come on up here and I can show you guys what's in here instead of just saying. See, and some plug-ins. And of course, candles right here. And then some cleaning supplies right here. And that is it. Okay, so that is it in this area. Hopefully this will be the last time I film in this kind of section for a little while, but we'll see what happens. But I wanted to kind of do like a spring refresh, you know, kind of organize some things and stuff like that for, you know, spring, summer and all that. So anyway, I hope this gives you a little bit of motivation, and it just, you know, I wanted to kind of inspire if you want to kind of get your house kind of like in order or whatnot, to do that. Anyway, I hope you like, comment, subscribe, share, do all the things, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.